we will start our new session, that is assembly drawing. So let's start with the assembly drawing, and the first assembly we will do the basic, that is nut and a bolt. So first step, as you know, click on model and make it okay. Now we have to select the sketch, means on which plane you want to work. So from here click the sketch. Now select the planar face. Okay, select the planar face of plane, click on XY plane and make it okay from here, like this one. So for the nut and the bolt, first we require a hexagon. Okay, so in this you will get a polygon from here. Okay, so click on this. Now specify the point, then give this center point and make the number of sides should be 6 and make the radius of 25 and rotation should be of 0. Like this polygon has been created. Now let's finish it and bring it to isometric view from here, like this one. Now what we have to do is to extrude this. So go to extrude command and now select any one of the curve due to connected curves or curves are connected to each other. So make it of 8, from here make boolean to none and make it okay from here, like this one. Let's hide this sketch. Now we can see in the nut we can get a circle extruded to upright. So go to sketch. Now select this upper face. Okay, so click on this and make it okay from here, like this one. Let's create a center line first. So go to line command and taking this a first point, create a length joining the end point of this. So you will get a center point from here. So now create a circle of diameter 25. Okay, make it diameter 25, like this one. Cancel the command from here. Make this into the convert to reference from here, like this one. Let's finish it and bring it to isometric view from here, like this one. Now we have to extrude this circle. So go to extrude again. Now select the curve, select this curve and make it extrude up to 105 and then make it unite to this body. Body has been selected due to only one body present and make it okay from here, like this one. Let's hide this sketch again, hide this one. Now due to this sharp edges, we have to remove these sharp edges. So go to edge blend from here and let's make the blend of these sharp edges. So click on the blend, so click this edge, then click this edge. Due to hexagon there should be 6 edges, so let's rotate. We shall find next two. Now select this fifth one and select this sixth one. Make the radius as 1 and make it okay from here, like this one. Okay, now you can see edges has been blended. Now we have to draw that thread on this. You can draw the thread with an helix command, then make a circle, or you can work with directly the thread command. Okay, so from here go to thread command. We are designing this video half threaded, so let's first start this detailed. Now select the face, means this one. Now what we have to do, select the minor diameter, that should be 23.5. it is automatically taken in the annex. Okay, now we have to create the half, means half thread nut. So let's give the length of 52.5. Okay, make it 52.5. Now what should be the pitch? Make it pitch of 13.125 and angle should be of 60 and make it okay from here. Now you can see thread has been created. Okay, you can see thread has been created. Let's rotate it so you can get the whole thread easily. Okay, now what we have to create is that nut bolt, sorry. So okay, so let's first save this. So from here go to file, make it save as. Let's save it. These are all my designs. Let's save it another. So I have created a new folder for this YouTube annex. So let's nut. Okay, from here make it nut and make it okay from here, like this one. Okay, now nut has been created and it has been saved successfully. Now let's select a new again. From here go to new. Now we have to create that bolt. Okay, so again select the model and make it okay from here. Now again select the sketch and select the planar face of plane. Okay, so click on sketch. Now select the planar face of plane from here and make it okay from again. Now similarly we have to create again a polygon for the bolt. So from here go to this and create a polygon. Take this as a point. Similarly 25 in radius and rotation should be on 0, like this one. Polygon has been created. Now make it finish sketch and bring it to isometric view from here like this one. Now we have to subtract this, extrude this, sorry. So let's click any command due to connected or cursor connected to each other. Make it of distance 25, it's right, and make it boolean to none and make it okay from here like this one. Let's hide this sketch again from here, bring it to isometric view. Now we have to create a subtract of circle. Okay, so go on sketch again, select this face and make it okay. Similarly we have to create a center line from here again. So let's create a line again for getting the center line easily. Okay, so join the endpoints. Now you have got that center point, so again go to circle and make a circle of diameter 25 from here. Let's make this as convert to reference. Again make it finish sketch and like this one. We have to subtract this. Okay, so go to extrude, select this curve, reverse the direction, from boolean select the subtract, select the body and make it okay from here. Let's make it until next. So subtract will be taken at the end point. Okay, now let's hide this again. Now we again, due to the sharp edges, we have to give the edge blends. So click on edge blend and similarly radius of 1, make the edges as blend. Okay, for removing the stress concentration. Okay, so let's make it again and make it again from here and then make it okay from here like this one. Okay, again bring it to isometric view. Again we needed that thread inside this, so again go for more, so go to more from here and again go to thread. Okay, now detail, select this inside one. Now you can see face length, make it pitch as similar to that 3.125, and let's all think because we have to create the length in whole, so make it 25 and minor diameter has been fixed and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, thread has been created inside this like this one, you can see. Now let's save it again in that. Okay, so let's save it fast. Go to save as. Similarly from here make it bold. Okay, from here make it bold and make it okay from here like this one. The file name already exists, let make it again, make it bold 1 because I think I have created the bolt. Now our bolt has been also saved. Let's make it assembly. So go to new again. Now for the assembly we have to select the second. Okay, from here you can see the assemblies. Now make it, select the assembly and make it okay from here. Now what we have to do is to select the, add the parts what we have created. Okay, so from here add component, so select the part, go to open where we have made. Okay, so first bring the nut and make it okay from here. Now select origin, take it origin point and make it okay from here. Okay, now it will ask where you want to place. Always try to make it its center, so let's make it everything as 0. Okay, let's bring it to isometric view. Now again go to add because we also have to bring that nut bolt 1 from here. So again go to pen. Now select bolt 1 and make it okay from here like this one and bring it again at the center point. Okay, so bring it from here. You can see bolt has been created. So first let's remove these two. So go on move component. Now select the component, select this bolt, then specify the orientation. You can directly drag it from here. Okay, like this one. Okay, now make it okay from here. Now for the assembly, go to assembly constraint. You will get in many options of assembly constant, but we have to only touch these two, center and the upper face, outer face of this bolt. Okay, so go to touch line, select the two object. First select the center line of the bolt, then select the center line of nut. From here you will get a center line of nut, so click on this. You can see both have been constant and make it okay from here like this one. Let's again bring it to isometric view and let's rotate it. You can see it has been created like this one. Okay, now let's make it render from here, make it true setting like this. It has been creating, wait. Okay, now you can see our nut has been created. Now if you hide these touches alignments, so from here go to show and hide. and let's hide these alignments. Okay, now from here assembly constant, make it to minus and make it close from here like this one. Now you can save this file in the separate file. Okay, now assembly of the nut and bolt has been created. Thank you.